Hey guys, Hollis and Kelsey here from NYX Professional Makeup.
Hi!
Today we're here to show you a beautiful glam makeup look for any of your holiday parties.
Yes, we've paired some of our favorite NYX products and some of our brand new limited edition holiday products to use for this look, which you can find at London Drugs. We're going to create this deep red smoky eye with a nice pop of glittering gold in the middle, paired with a nice warm brown lip.
Okay, let's jump right in.
So we've used the NYX concealer to prep her eyes. Now I'll be jumping into the NYX Whipped Wonderland eyeshadow palette, and I'll be using this lighter shade right now to set it. Now that I have set her eyes, I will be using these two darker shades right here. The red shade will be in her crease, and the brown shade will just smoke out the outer V. Now that we've blended out all of our eyeshadow, I will be using the Epic Ink in shade Black.
And you guys, this is my most favorite liquid liner in the whole world. It is the best.
Now that we've applied the eyeliner, I will be using the same eyeshadow palette back with the brown to smoke it out just a little bit. Now I'll be using the NYX Glitter Golds in Industrial Beam. This is my absolute favorite product. Now that the glitter has set, I will be going back in with the eyeshadow palette using that red tone. I will be just darkening up the outer corner and bringing it underneath. After that, I will go back in with the eyeliner just to touch it up just a little bit. Now to finish off the eye, I will be using the black Worth the Hype NYX mascara as well as some false lashes. We're now using the NYX Wicked Lashes in Risky.
And these are my favorite because they give great volume without being super intense.
So this is the 2018 NYX Professional Makeup Advent Calendar. I'll be using two shades from it. The first one is in the Lip Oil Cranberry Tint, and the second one is in Deep Rooted in the Lip Lingerie. To finish off this look, I will be using the new NYX Whipped Wonderland Highlighter in Dazzler.
You say Dazzler's so much cuter than me. And this is from the holiday collection. It's a little Christmas tree ornament, so it makes a wonderful gift.
There you go. That's the final look. Doesn't Hollis look gorgeous?
I'm ready to go for all of my holiday parties.
If you want to recreate this look yourself, you can find all the NYX products here we use today at londondrugs.com. If you're thinking about picking up more new NYX holiday products we've featured, make sure you snag them ASAP before they're gone.
Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, bye.